NHS Medics' unique Physician2Pharma event is held every year and has done for the past 6 years. It's a unique tailored event that supports the NHS physicians in transitioning into industry for the first time. Throughout the day, we have a number of talent acquisition, recruitment specialists and medical experts not only hold presentations but also get involved in workshops both in the morning and in the afternoon. Our Physician2Pharma events enables our clients, both recruitment specialists and medical experts, the opportunity to meet around 25 to 30 pre-screened NHS physicians that are looking to transition into the industry. Our event enables our clients to build a candidate pipeline of first and new into industry medics that are seeking an opportunity to work within medical affairs, whether that be now or whether it be long term in the future. Our event is an excellent opportunity for clients to promote their business within the pharmaceutical industry and for the NHS physicians to network with medical experts. If you'd like to find out more information around our Physician2Pharma event, please contact us on info@onlymedics.com or 01189 522 799.